Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the highly anticipated Nikon Z8 and its updated specifications. Rumor has it that the Nikon Z8 will cost $4,999 in the US, and based on the leaked specs, it seems like it's going to be a powerful and versatile camera designed specifically for professional photographers. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z8 is its stacked 45.7 megapixel sensor, which guarantees sharp and detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. With a capability of shooting at 20 frames per second and 120 frames per second in JPEG mode, photographers can effortlessly capture those fleeting moments. And, with 5-axis in-body stabilizations with a range of up to 6 stops, you can shoot handheld without worrying about camera shake. The camera also boasts 493 autofocus points, ensuring that your subjects are always in focus. And, when it comes to video capabilities, the Nikon Z8 is capable of shooting 8.3K at 60p, which means you can shoot stunning high-resolution videos. Now let's have a look at the latest updates about the upcoming Nikon Z8 high-megapixel, full-frame, mirrorless camera. Sensor: 45.7 megapixel. ISO range: 64 to 25,600. 20 frames per second high frame rate shooting. 5-axis in-body stabilizations. Shutter speed: 1/32,900. Electronic shutter only. Autofocus: 493 autofocus points. HEIF 10-bit support. Video: 8.3K at 60p. 3.2 tilting LCD screens. Memory cards: CF Express Plus SD. Dust and drip resistant, same as the current Nikon D850. Dimensions: 144 by 118 by 83 millimeters, 5.6 by 4.6 by 3.2 inches. Weight: under 1 kilogram. Price: €4,599, around $5,000 US. The Nikon Z8 teaser campaign will start on April 26th. B&H Photo is already advertising the Nikon Z8 announcement. Overall, the Nikon Z8 seems like a camera that's going to impress even the most demanding professional photographers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest camera gear.